So if you follow Tesla Charging on X, you probably saw just the other day they announced a pretty nice little quality of life improvement for supercharging and their network and what they offer. It was about 3 days ago that they posted this, but there are some nice new changes here that I wanted to show you today, starting with this right here. So as you can see, they have now added the opportunity to have site arrival improvements that are rolling out. And now you can see you're getting icons indicating if these chargers are in a valet lot or in a pay to park location, notifications for pay to park, parking floor, and access codes. And all of this can be found right in the app, or I should say also in your vehicle itself, showing you some of these new changes. Again, this just shows you the way that they iterate here. You can see the symbols for valet only or pay to park being right here included. It is really cool now, and again, that small quality of life tweak that they've added here in order to be able to see some of these items to make it directly visible right on the card. So you can see in this specific location, you're only able to charge there if you valet your car. And then let's go back a little bit where you can see this shows you now where that little symbol is and the new icon for pay to park. So you'll only be able to charge there if you pay for parking. Now, if you ever see a card like this is not Tesla charging you to pay at this location to park there. This is all of where these superchargers are operated. The owners are charging for you to get in. It could be in a gated area, or you have to pay maybe $10, $20, $30, whatever it might be, to get in to park your vehicle for however long that might be. I think this is also going to be really good if you are in a parking garage and want to know what floor that charger is on. It will show you all of that now as well in the app. So again, you can go follow Tesla Charging right on X and see all of this at the same time that we see it. I think it's, again, a great improvement. And you can even see down at the bottom here, it says it's on floor P1. So very cool. Again, just showing how quickly Tesla is iterating and trying to make little better improvements for all of their users. Aside from this, we are expecting a new software update to be rolling out here in the coming days that hopefully will have some big improvements in there. Cybertruck owners, fear not, we hopefully will get some improvements to full self-driving supervised in this update, but we don't know when that'll be released. Tesla's always going to do Tesla things, but hopefully that will be coming in the next couple of weeks or so. We also have had some serious battery drain and charging issues as well, which brings me to my next point, and comment down below if you're experiencing it also, where once you say, for instance, schedule your car to charge to 80%, it will only go to 77%, or it'll quickly go back to 80 and then drain to 78 hypothetically and never top back off. Weird issues. Hopefully all of those charging issues will be resolved in that next build as well. And as soon as that does come out, we will make sure to do a video for that as well. But that's it for this one. Quick and easy for you guys. Thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace.